May or might, what's the difference? May and might, those two little words that can trip up even the best of us. They sound similar, but there are some subtle differences in how they're used. Here's a breakdown. May. Permission. This is a common use for may in present tense. It's used to ask for or grant permission politely. Example, may I borrow your pen? Possibility, likely, may can also indicate that something is possible, especially when the possibility seems more likely. Example, it may rain this afternoon, so bring an umbrella. Past tense of can. In some cases, may is used as the past tense of can to indicate ability in the past. Example, he may have spoken French when he was younger. This is less common these days. Might. Possibility, less likely. Might is used to talk about possibilities that are less likely to happen than those with may. Example, we might go to the beach tomorrow, but it depends on the weather. Past tense of may. Just like may has a past tense function for can, might can also be the past tense of may. Example, I thought she might be interested in the job. Request, more formal, British English. In British English, might can be used in a more formal way to ask for permission. Example, might I use your phone? In American English, may I is more common. Here's a trick to remember the difference. Think of may for situations that may happen, with a higher chance of possibility. Think of might for situations that might happen, but are less likely. Remember, though, the difference in likelihood can be subtle, and there can be some overlap. The key is to choose the word that best reflects the level of possibility you want to convey.